guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Skyasia. Today's video, I'm pretty much going to be doing a cleaning video because it's very much needed, and honestly it's really just because I have a lot of clothes, so this is also going to be a good time to get rid of some clothes. Really want to update my wardrobe and, you know, do more videos for you guys, but I have no room for the clothes that I have now. So I'm pretty much going to show you guys how my room's looking so far, and y'all don't judge because I promise you it's about to look spotless, okay, after this video. Okay, so this is my door where I'm about to stand at to show you guys the mess, y'all. Like, okay, so when you walk in, this is trash that I need to throw away that I was too lazy to throw away. That's not trash though. I need to get that lotion bottle out there. There's actually hot cocoa in there, and this bin right here is actually clean clothes I need to put up. This comforter is the comforter that I want to put on my bed now. It's like this vintage beige white, and right now I have like this white one and it's just dirty, and I'm just ready for a change, y'all. Okay, my dog bed, this is smeared in paint on my floor. It looks like a murder scene kind of happened. Like, I don't know, stuff needs to be picked up. My side table, y'all, I just ate this. I promise this isn't like 3 days old. And yeah, I was literally drinking those last night. Don't come for me. Yeah, like the bed is looking and then this right here, y'all, like this is the clothes I'm talking about. It's not even clothes, it's like bags too, probably some shoes. And then see, yeah, that needs to get thrown away. And then yeah, we just need to clear out the closet a little bit, y'all. And yeah, so this is what we're working with, okay? And I don't know where to start first, y'all. So I'm about to go, and well, at first I wanted to make my bed and get my bed out the way, but I still think it's important that I do like all the trash first, and then I think I'm going to make my bed. Now that I finally got those sorted out, I'm heading to the laundry room to put them in.
By the minute and the record on repeat. Took a sip, then another sip. Then somebody said to me, nigga.
It smells so good. I usually put my stuff on heavy duty, especially when it comes to like undies. I got a lot of stuff to wash, so I think I'm gonna put this on speed wash. I'm gonna leave my blankets in here, but I'm gonna take my basket back upstairs and figure out what to put in there next, because I just want to like really clear out my floor because that's really what's just dirty. I'm about to go through and get some more clothes off the floor. Can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it over. Big drip. I put in all the clothes that I want to go in next. I low-key feel like my load should be done or close to done because I put it on speed wash, and I think it's about like 35 or 25 minutes. As you can see, it's the pile of clothes that was there is slowly going down. On my bed is clean clothes that I need to put up. My clothes on speed dry and my other clothes on speed wash. They'll be done in 35 minutes, but my clothes are going to be dry in 25. I know it's not my room, but I just finished my bathroom and I kind of pushed that more back, and I decided to put my trash can here because I feel like some people just don't be seeing it. It was there, but I feel like it also might create it like a little cluttered, so I decided to just put it like between the toilet, and also I feel like it's close to washing your hands and it's common sense. But yeah, I got this nice little candle, wiped my counters, got my perfumes out. And yeah, bathroom's looking cute. So, you know, got my my desk ready. I'm literally just doing a silk off, so I got that ready. As far as my room, it feels like it just got dirty again. One, I don't know where that shredded paper came from. Like, I have to go get that. But this is still over here because it's going on my bed. This is just an extra trash bag for me to throw stuff away. These are clean clothes, and those are clean clothes. Okay, y'all, so I cleared off the clothes that were on my bed. I just need to put those towels up. I've got a little bit of clothes in the bag so far for clothes I'm giving away, and there was room for me to put my clothes up, so I'm happy about that. And I still have room for my hangers, so I still need to get that laundry on the couch, but I'm gonna set it on my bed and get it when I'm done doing nails, so I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so my lovely bed is made. I keep my bed like this. I keep my pink blankets and stuff here. I lay on this one, so if I drop any food, it doesn't mess up my bed. I did that when I had my white and gray comforter though anyway. Okay, y'all, so I got all the clothes put up. I have all her clothes in that bag, and all the clothes are falling off my bed, period, y'all. Look at the room. I literally just really need to vacuum. So I was gonna clean my night table off, but I don't even feel like it. I'm tired from those clothes. Also, I had to go in my closet because I was running out of hangers, which is good. Also, because that means I'm filling my closet back in. But I had to take one of my drawers out, but that was good because I went through the drawer and I took out some clothes. So yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna go through my drawers, I think, instead, to put more clothes up. And then I'm also gonna, you know, do all the vacuuming and the cleaning. You know, I think my mirror is still clean, but so yeah, I'll tune back in with you guys later. Period, y'all. Okay, so this is the room now. This is how everything is looking. There's nothing on my floor anymore. And yeah, I just really love how everything looks. I do want to add, like, I feel like it'd look cute if I had like a bit of like pink in my curtains, because I feel like literally like the only color you see is really from my bed. But yeah, my bed's made. I've got a new comforter down. I've cleaned my side table. Y'all, this used to be my nail lamp, so it's like super dirty, but I promise it's clean. But yeah, I've got my side table nice and clean. This right here goes to my stylus pen. I just keep it here because I know I'm not gonna lose it if it's there. I wiped my mirror down. I fixed my paintings. I painted these, by the way, but yeah, they had fallen down, so I had to like put them back up. Here's nice and clean. This is Hazel's area with an extra blanket on top, and that's just an extra pink trash bag. That's my dirty clothes hamper, and these are just my drawers. This is all my painting stuff. This is Hazel's stuff. And then this drawer down here is kind of like a junk drawer, but there's literally, I think there's only like a hot glue stick down there. And then up here is just where I keep some of my perfumes and candles, but I do not keep all of my perfumes in here. I keep my perfumes in my restroom as well. So I just like to have different perfumes out and about. Alright, y'all, so we got the candle going with the clean, fresh room. It feels so good to have such a nice room. And yeah, so I just want to tell you guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you guys check out my other videos, okay? And if you guys enjoyed this cleaning video, I'm glad you did. And yeah.